Alright you guys, today we're working on our 3-layer mask techniques. You're going to first download this file, click on it. It's going to look like you had a problem. Don't worry. Go to the 3 dots, open in a new window, and then download the file. I'm not going to because I already did, but that's how you would do it. Once you open that file, this is what you're going to see. It's a review of 3 different techniques you're going to use to remove backgrounds, which is the same process we're going to use to create our digital collages. I'd like you to start with the simplest, with your balloon. And the most important part is I made a backup copy of these exact files. So it's important that you hide this background copy with your eyeball, or no matter what you do, it's not going to look like it's working. So hide that background copy to start, and we're going to start with the balloon technique. So for this first one, you're going to click on the balloon layer. You're going to add a layer mask to the balloon layer. And the big thing to remember with layer masks is there's this white frame around the layer mask when you're on it. There's a white frame around the photo when you're not on it. So if you paint on a layer mask, with a normal paintbrush, forgive me. All kinds of fun things happening today. Okay. If you paint on a layer mask, simple, regular brush, black will block. And you can see if I zoom into that layer mask, exactly what I painted is now on the layer mask. If I paint it white, that part will disappear. The black paintbrush, while on the layer mask, removes it. A white one will make it disappear. If I accidentally paint the black on my balloon layer, it will just paint it black. I don't want that. Okay? So just keep that in mind. You're on the layer mask, you're selecting around the layer mask, and using black to remove it, or white to put it back. Now, that's going to be really crazy if I'm trying to edge something so precise like a balloon. I might be able to get pretty close if I trust myself with the brush, or if you have a drawing tablet or something like that. But probably you're going to want to use a tool when you get closer to the actual edge. So here's some options for you. Third tool down, you're going to find the polygonal or the magnetic. The magnetic lasso, when you click, will cling to an edge that it thinks is what you want. It's not perfect, and because of that, I like to give it an extra little click when it starts going awry. And it's a good idea to do a little bit at a time, meaning that was starting to be wonky, so I'm just going to finish it. D for my brush, blacken the layer mask, and it's going to disappear. Control D to deselect, and I can do that as many times as I want. If I don't like that, I can also use my magic wand, that's the 4th from the top, and that will cling to information that it thinks is a different value or color. And if I want to add to that selection, I can hold Shift, and it will grab more. Then I can go B back to my brush while on the layer mask, black to block it, and just paint it away. To deselect, it's Control D. All of these instructions are also on Google Classroom, so you can see, go step by step. If you want to see the layer mask up close, you can press Alt and zoom in by clicking on the layer mask once, and now you can see everything that happened in the layer mask itself, or fix any corrections, any mistakes. And just click out of it, and then you can see what's going on.